Tank Locator is in beautiful Providence, New Jersey. Whoa, that's mold. That's not good. Doing a tank sweep on this property. That was built in the 1920s. My investigation found this is your gas-fired unit. There's a single oil line that leads to, I follow the oil line. Boom, 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 boom. It's a single oil line that must have had an above ground tank here at one time. There's a platform for the above ground tank. But in the back of the hot water heater, you have additional oil lines. And the tank is out here where I probe my probing bar.